Hello everyone, and welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60, and welcome to Stock Lock Sunday. And the lock I have for you today is a Corbin. I don't have a key for it. Haven't picked it. All I did was remove the one screw, just to make it a little quicker if I decide to gut it. So, that being said, I hope everyone's doing well. And my shopping is done, boys and girls. Finished it this evening or this afternoon. Oh, first of all, I'm going to use a bottom of the keyaway tensioner. It's the medium width, in case you're wondering. And here's a gem and diamond, gem in 25 thousandths. Let's get a close up here. Excuse me. You're not gonna see any what you call it, false sets or anything. I'm sure these are all standard. I'm gonna start at the rear. Ah, already open. Let's try that one more time. If it opens up that quick again, I'll like to see what's in it. Okay. Again. Come on, get in there. Okay. Oh, there we go. 3 pence. So we can see that at least position number 1 has a pin in it. Whether they're all populated, don't know. We shall find out. Okay. Yeah, and I can't lock it because that's a bad habit to get yourself into. It's getting a challenge lock to, with a key, pick it, and then, let me lock it. You get in the habit of doing it, you get a lock that has no key, and it gave you a hard time, and you're in that zone where, you lock everything. Then you remember, like, crap, I don't have a key. Alright. Okay, just make sure. I like to shim everything. I don't like surprises unless, they're good ones. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Yep. Okay, yeah. They all are populated. Let me grab something a little thinner. And you see, it's at 4 is the overset trap. And 1 has a wafer. That explains it. So, let's see what we got. What's the number? Oh, wow. Okay. So these all going to have wafers. Maybe not all, but yep, that's a heck of a wafer. That's almost a key pin. And number 4 and 5. Looks like someone beat the crap out of that. Huh. It's got grooves, like cuts in it, like that. Diagonal. Okay. Let's see. Well, I hope everyone that entered in the giveaway is looking forward to it. I know I am. I'm looking forward to, you know, getting it rolling. And oh, wow. Look at it. Look at that spool. Yeah, there is a spring in there. What happened to my... Here it is. Well, that's unusual. It's a spring, but it's like... Well, I'm not gonna fight for it. It's in there. Another spool. I'll show you these spools when I get them out. Come on, baby. Where the hell did it go? What the heck? Anyone see it? I sure didn't. That is weird. I mean, it was there. Oh well. It's my lock, so. Alright, well. Alright, so this goes like that. And then, okay, so it goes like that. But anyhow, they all came out now. That doesn't really matter. Yeah, this is taking way too long. Longer than it should have. Okay. I didn't feel these spools do anything. Another spool. Let's get this out of here. Okay. Here I am again, losing crap. It was a spring. I just want the little guys to grab a hold of it. Wind up chewing on it, but anyhow. Nothing to El Coro. So let's check out these long spools. I didn't feel jack crap from them, but the lock is obviously really gunky, so maybe that inhibited the spools for, you know, from feeling it. All right, that's what I have for you. Nice little old Corbin. I call it a Corbin 35 because it's punched there. Yeah. Well, all right, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me in this adventure, and be safe, be legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Bye-bye, everyone.